Good morning, children. I am Shantala Joshi, your art teacher. Today, we are going to learn spray painting by using toothbrush. Old toothbrushes, and always we are after using, we are throwing. We can use for spray paint also by using watercolor and toothbrush. We can do spray painting. I will show few ideas and afterwards we'll start doing. This is very easy pictures and we can use some stencils also. If it is not there, you can use live leaves also. Otherwise, any waste papers you can cut like image and you can place it. Then afterwards you can do spray painting. I will show you later. We'll start our work. Yes, dear children. Yes, here they used masking tape to make a house and letter. We can take a masking tape, place up of the one white sheet, and above that you can do spray painting. Afterwards, we have to remove that. Later, we'll get like this picture. It may be alphabets or any other image also. But it's very difficult to do. Somewhere circles are there, that in those areas it's very difficult, but straight lines wherever we require, that is very nice. Here they placed some leaves and stems also, and afterwards they did in spray. Very nice pictures. Wow, this also. They used papers here, dragonfly, crocodile, tortoise, flowers, anything you can use, deer, cat faces, and bird is there, flowers and leaves, anything you can place here, and up of that you can do the spray painting. Better some animals also I will show you, animal faces, these things, it looks very nice. Wow, beautiful butterflies. First they painted background and later they did spray painting up of this. Tricolors, by using orange, white and green, they made a beautiful symbol of peace. Very nicely done. For Independence Day or Republic Day, for any decoration work, you can use this. This is the stencil, what I told, that we have to cut on paper and place up of this, and afterwards we have to do spray painting. This is also by using stencils. Here they used 3 to 4 stencils. First they made for sun, to prepare the sun, and again they made bird also. The black color of this original sheet is actually black color. This place they covered. Later it is looking like this. Wow, which one I told before? Animal pictures by using spray paint. Okay, children, we'll watch a small video and we'll come back again. Yes. Here they already cut and kept 3 flowers, leaves, like maple leaf, and they are going to place up of the white paper, white sheet. Wherever you require, you can place. You can cut and keep butterflies, flowers, anything, whatever you like. And toothbrush and poster color or acrylic color, anything you can use. Just wet the brush and dip in color. You have to press the brush. First we have to put around that object and later remaining part, because it should look, after removing the image should, we feel it is something draw afterwards. Yes, one leaf is done and the another is blue color. One more is green. Another is orange. Yes, three colors also completed here. Slowly we have to remove that stencil. You can use a small stick also. Yes. Now spray painting is ready. Yes, children. Now I will also show a small spray painting picture for you. One by using leaf and another one is by using stencil. Okay, we'll start our work. Now I have one butterfly stencil and another flower is in my hand. I will show you how to make place up of this. I have a paper with me and I stick this flower and butterfly up of this. Now I am taking spray paint to spray up of this. I took brown color with me, little dark color we have to use, and I took in my brush. Oh, it fell down. We have to dip color in brush and spray up of this object. Yes, I did half of this. I'm going to cover whole page. Yes, now I am going to remove this stencil. Slowly hold your paper properly and remove this. My flower is ready. Now I am going to show my butterfly also. Yes, even my butterfly also. Dear children, my spray painting is ready and we'll do one more. Yes, one more we'll do. I took few leaves with me. I took few leaves and I sticked with gum tape. Now again I am going to do spray painting with toothbrush. I hope you are able to see this. I am going to remove the leaves. Slowly. Use your both the hands and remove the leaf. Yes, children, my leaf print is ready.